Welcome back everyone, I'm Vitaminsmore, and today I'll be going over part 2 of my triple bar tutorial, starting with the Stream Pass. The Stream Pass feature allows enabled users to gain points and level up to earn rewards. You can have multiple Stream Passes available, and each will remain active until the time expires. The Redemption Store feature, which is similar to the Twitch Point Redemption, allows you to create custom rewards that your viewers can purchase. For more details regarding this, please look into the wiki page in the description box below. The Overlay widget feature allows you to show static content on your overlay. This display will stay active on your stream, and you can add new features for your viewers' enjoyment. To add, click the Overlay widget at the bottom. Select the type you would like to create. Click Next. Give it a name. Select the overlay you like to use. Pick the color of the border, the background, and the text, and then click Save. Some of these options include showing the number of chat messages, clip playback, images, event list, end credits, and a goal or progression bar. The Game tab comes with 21 preset games you can add and adjust to your heart's content. Simply click New Game at the bottom and pick which one you'd like to add. A new window will display some information about the game. Click Next and take a moment to look over and change any settings you'd like, and when finished, click the Save at the bottom. Check out the wiki page for more details about each game. The Giveaway tab will allow you to set up a personal giveaway. What you give away is your choice. It could be something simple as rewarding stream points, or a more massive prize. Fill in the item's name, the total time, the reminders you want it to post, and the max amount of entries a viewer can have. And when finished, click Start Giveaway. The Game Queue feature allows you to easily play with your viewers. After clicking Enable, you can easily see all viewers currently waiting to play with you once they have joined the queue. You can then alter their position in line or remove users if you wish to do so. The Quote feature allows you to maintain some of the best phrases or sayings from your streams. You can add, edit, or remove quotes at any time. Your viewers also can add and view random quotes using existing commands, which are found under the pre-made chat commands. The Statistics tab is pretty self-explaining. It will bring up a list of details about your stream, from the number of views to the number of bits received. The Moderation feature allows you to auto-moderate your chat with a variety of tools. You can filter words, block links, give out strikes. These features are available on Twitch, so there isn't much use for this feature unless you would like more moderation control. The Service section is one of the more critical areas for Mix It Up. Here you can link your accounts with different programs such as OBS, Slobs, or websites like Streamlabs or Stream Elements, allowing you to control features within Mix It Up. Consider taking a moment to link in any site or program you plan to use. To do so is pretty simple. Click the service you wish to connect to. Click Connect or Log In. It will send you to the web page. Sign in and Mix It Up will do the rest. Make sure any program you are trying to connect to is running. If you encounter an error, use your web browser to log into the site, and then try logging again with Mix It Up. The Account tab is also self-explaining. You will see your streamer and bot account logged in. If you haven't added a bot account, you may log into one here. The changelog will allow you to see all current and past updates to Mix It Up. This will save a lot of research time if you are interested in this information. The About tab is our last area. Here you can find information on the latest releases, submit any bug or issues you come across, or if you would like to show more support to the developers, you can do so by clicking any of the icons below. And with that, I have gone over everything under the triple bar section. Please consider hitting the like button, subscribing, and commenting below if you found this video helpful. In my next video, I'll be going more in depth into the custom commands. Thank you for watching. Also, check me out on Twitch Monday through Thursday at 7 PM Eastern, where I don't sound so much like a stiff. Until then, see you next time.